highlights important safety information. So may we please have your attention. If you haven't already placed your bags in the overhead locker, you should place them under the seat in front of you. Bags must not be placed in the aisles or next to an exit. Please be careful if you open an overhead locker, as a bag may fall out and hurt some. You'll need to fasten your seatbelt for takeoff. To fasten it, push the metal tab into the buckle like this and adjust to fit. To open, lift the buckle like this. If you're traveling with an infant on your lap, we have special seatbelts and your crew will help you to fit them. Seatbelts must be fastened at all times when the seatbelt signs are switched on. We do, however, recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times when you are seated. Should you be sleeping, we kindly request that you keep it fastened on top of your blanket to avoid being woken by crew performing their safety checks. In the unlikely event that the cabin air supply fails, oxygen masks will drop down automatically. If you see this mask appear, you should remain seated. Pull the mask sharply downwards to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask on over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic headband, and breathe normally. An extra mask is provided for those travelling with an infant. Fit your own mask first, before helping others. You will find your life jacket under your seat in economy class, and in the front centre pocket of your armrest in Premier World. If you need it, take it out of its container and pull it over your head and pass the straps around your waist. Clip the fasteners at the front and pull the straps to fit. To inflate, pull the red toggle sharply downwards. Should it fail to inflate or need more air, blow into this tube. The life jacket has a light and whistle to attract attention. Please do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft, otherwise it will restrict your exit. Children's life jackets must be inflated whilst inside the aircraft, whilst infant jackets must be inflated before putting them on your baby. Floor-level lighting will appear to help you find your way to the nearest exits, which are indicated in red lighting. There are 8 emergency exits on this Boeing 777-200, and all clearly marked. Computers, games, and personal music players may interfere with the proper operation of aircraft systems, and must be switched off when the seatbelt sign is illuminated, for takeoff and for landing. Mobile phones may not be used at any time aboard this aircraft. We now kindly request you to check that your table is folded away, with your seat back in the upright position and the armrest lowered. Please fasten your seatbelt tightly, ready for takeoff. You are kindly reminded that this is a non-smoking flight and
cabin crew, take your seats for takeoff.
This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. A safety information card has been provided in the seat pocket in front of you. We urge you to please read this before takeoff, as it illustrates details of vital safety elements, such as the location and correct use of oxygen masks, life jackets, and exits. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, your crew will now point out to you your nearest exits. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest to you. Keep in mind that it may be located behind you. Thank you for your attention. Your crew are happy to assist and ensure that you have a pleasant flight. Thank you for choosing to fly Kenya Airways, the pride of Africa.